Okay, pound yen here. At the beginning of last week, I was looking for this one to close below the 138.99 level, and it duly obliged. It was sort of telling a good story, this chart. I like to kind of go on about the stories that you can see in charts, but sometimes you just see clear pictures and sometimes you don't. So I kind of view it, if I see a clear picture, then it means I'm gonna, you know, look to trade that pair. So basically, we were sitting up around this level. I think at the close of last week, yeah, we were up at 141.54, and I said in my commentary last Sunday night that we really had to remove this level to the close because we were coming up to the end of the month. So it was the 138.99 level, and you can see we've perfectly removed that to the close, which is really good for this market now to head lower. It's quite a significant move that last week to the end of last week. You can see in the weekly chart, I've picked out the 132 level here to take profit on one of my positions here, because we've got the TDST support level here and the BAT level. So anywhere around here, once we breach this lower BAT support, I would expect to see a bounce from there. But that's perfect because then the 138.99 level comes into play as your main selling level. So as soon as we break this lower BAT support and we get a nice bear squeeze higher, I'll be looking at that 138.99 level as a perfect level to be selling, and looking eventually for like the 100 level at some point. So yeah, not much going on in the daily chart really in a tradable sort of way. We're on the fifth bar of a buy setup, so we've obviously now got to close lower than 135.47 to complete the count, and this count will complete on Thursday, I think. So we'll get a buy setup on Thursday. So ideally for this week, I'd like to see it come down and test this 131.96 level, break the lower BAT, possibly even test the 129 level, and then post the 9 count buy setup. And from there, we can just sort of meander higher, quite slow, maybe even a quick bear squeeze. And at that point, 138.99 level is perfect. We'll just wait for that level to be tested and look to sell into that strength there. So again, there won't be much trading going on here, especially in the early part of the week. But once we complete the 9 count, it'll be the daily 9 count buy setup, that is. It'll be a similar sort of picture than to the pound yen, where I'll possibly be looking to buy, but it'll only be on a sort of intraday basis, where I'll be keeping a close eye and just looking for anything that suits me to kind of get involved. So it's not really something I would plan overnight, but if I'm watching the markets and we're getting some multi-time frame buy signals, stuff like that, then I'll start to maybe look to take some low risk buy opportunities there. Probably targeting like the 138 level on the monthly chart. So yeah, so initially here this week I'll just basically be watching, hoping that we're going to get down to this 132, where we can sort of lock in some pips. Let's see. So we should get 1,150 pips. Hopefully, should we close out that position this week. So yeah, it's just basically a watch and see story here until Thursday.